Bureau, if one of their business members rips somebody off, what does the Better Business Bureau do? I personally went to arbitration with this person. I wasn't too thrilled about it. And my friend who was blind, she got ripped off even worse, and she was afraid to go, and she finally went to court. But is there anything else besides arbitration, or if you don't arbitrate, then what happens as far as the Better Business Bureau is concerned?
Okay, good. That's a good question, Rona, and thanks for asking. We have about 4,000 businesses in Alabama currently who are members of the Central Alabama Better Business Bureau. Every one of those members, when they join, they sign a contract with us that has specific paragraphs and specific language that calls for their behavior and what they have to do in the marketplace, how they are called upon to treat their consumers, and if they don't do that, and if we know about it and can justify it and have records about it, then we absolutely revoke their membership. And we fortunately don't have to do that very often, but we do revoke memberships of businesses several times a year.
Yeah.
For the consumer, if you file a complaint with the Better Business Bureau, and we try to work that out for you, because that's primarily what we do, is resolve disputes between businesses and consumers. Sometimes most of the time we can work it out. Sometimes it does go to mediation or arbitration. And beyond that, if we're not able to help in any regard, then of course consumer is certainly free and able to take it to court.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you, David, for coming in. We appreciate that. We
Good
hope
to be
it's
here.
been a great